Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix Xbox application not working. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store and then search for Xbox. When your application is not updated, at times it might show you some technical problems. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. But in case you see update, go ahead and tap an update and update your app. Now see if this fixes your problem by simply opening your application. If it's still not working, then long tap onto it. Select the eye icon, scroll below and go for storage. In here, clear the cache. Once done, go back onto App Info page, force stop your application from running and select OK. Now restart your device, launch your application and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then this might be your app problem. Long tap onto it and uninstall it. Make sure that you remember your credentials. Once you have uninstalled it, open your Play Store, reinstall it again, and it will work.